By this new trend I found. It's a filter. You might have seen people do this and it works really fun, so be right back. Alright guys, watch this. Now you can't even see me. And behind all of these emojis, two step, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I guess it just goes back over. Okay, we're gonna change it to the next one. In 3, 2. It's gonna get a little smaller. That's so many emojis. Let's make it go smaller. Oh, this will show a lot. Dang, that's so many. Okay. Oh, we're gonna get it smaller. That's the tiniest. That does not look any tinier than the other. This is the tiniest one. This is cool. Okay. Well, never sky. Yeah, one.